What's going on, guys? I have 7 tips and tricks that I'm going to show you to help you along with your Instagram journey. So let's jump in right away and get into it. By the way, if you're new here and you're into news, reviews, and how-tos for your phone, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything. Longer music in Instagram stories is only 15 seconds. It's not going to let you do any more than that. However, there is a way around that in a sense where you can use Reels. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump in and we're gonna see at the bottom where you have post, story, and live, we're gonna hit Reels, and then you can actually go in and you'll see length 1530. Now, I've also been told that they are pushing out 60-second long Reels, so you'll be able to add music from the same catalog, and it should be up to 60 seconds once that pushes out to you. But as of right now, as you see for me, it's only 30 seconds max. All right, so the next thing we're gonna talk about is pinned comments. And you know, people that follow you love to leave comments on your awesome photos and videos. And all you simply gotta do is go into your profile and find a post, as you can see here, and find a photo with a comment. And I have that. You click on the comments, and all you simply got to do is swipe to the left, and you're going to see a pin, a thumbtack looking thing. Just click on that, and it's going to pin it. And you'll see that under their name, under their comment, it's going to say pinned. And then you can obviously remove the pin by pressing the pin again, and it'll take it away and you can unpin it. Now moving on to the next tip, say you see one of your friends or somebody you follow post a really cool story or post to their Instagram, and you want to share that, right? You want to share that to your stories, because that's the cool thing to do, right? That's what you want to do, show some love. Let's just scroll down. I'm gonna see when I find a good video. This photo right here, my buddy Jack, and he takes some awesome photos. Go find him on YouTube. We want to hit the little paper airplane underneath this photo, and then we want to add it to our story, right? And we're just gonna do whatever we want with it, and bam, it shows the photo. There it is. It already has him tagged. Now you can also go in and let's see if we can find a video here. We got Earl David Reed. He's a comedian slash used to be a local DJ around here. We're gonna add his, and you just hit the paper airplane again, add to your story, and then you'll click see post, and it'll take you right to his post. So it doesn't share the actual video, but it'll take you right to the post that you shared, right? So the next tip or trick would be, if you want to shout out a friend or follower on your stories, all you got to simply do is go in to your stories, and then you could select a photo or anything. So I got a new Mac Mini, so I'm going to add this in here. And what you want to do is go into your stickers, and you're going to see @mention. Click that, and then you start typing out the person who helped you out. And I got a lot of help from my buddy from Tech Examined on when I picked out this Mac Mini and everything, because he has one as well. So I'm gonna tag him and let him know. And what he's gonna do is he's gonna get hit on his Instagram. He's gonna get pinged showing that I tagged him in my story, and you know, that's a shout out. That's a way to shout out your followers and your friends. Pretty easy, right? So the next tip that I'm going to show you is how to add more than one photo to your Instagram stories. And here we are in Instagram. I'm going to add story. We're just going to do a plain background. So I'm going to hold my hand over here, and I'm just going to take a picture, and that's what it looks like. Then we're going to add a sticker here, right? Here, we're going to scroll down until we see the little photo album icon, and here you can see it right here on the left hand side. We're going to click that, and then we're just going to add that photo, and then we go back in and do the same thing. It's going to take us right back to our camera roll, and we'll add that photo, and bam, there you go. There's 2 photos. You could keep doing the same thing. We could even add more. There's the box. So you keep adding and stacking however you want to do it, but that's how you add more than one photo to your Instagram stories. A little tip there for you guys. All right, so the next tip or trick is for you Spotify listeners, because I use Spotify. I don't know if you guys do, but if you do, this is a cool trick. We're going to go into Spotify, and we're going to go into our library and playlists, and I'm going to show you how you could share your playlist directly to your Instagram stories. Pretty cool. So here's a little 90s playlist I have. And what you want to do when you're in Spotify is go in, and you're going to see the 3 dots. Once you find your playlist, you're going to click on that. You could scroll down, and you will see the share button, and then you click on share, and it's going to bring up a new little pop-up thing here, and then you'll see Instagram. You can click on Instagram. It's going to take you right into your Instagram account, into your stories, and bam, you can move it around however you want, and there you go. That's how you share your playlist, your Spotify playlist on Instagram stories. And the next tip or trick I want to show you is how to add video to your Instagram story from your library. So something you already recorded. And what you want to do is you want to go into your Instagram again. You want to go act like you're doing a story, and you want to go into your album that's in the bottom left hand corner, and then you could find any video you want, really. I mean, here is a minute and 55-second video of my daughter playing some softball, and you can go in and you can add whatever you want, stickers and anything like that. And as you can see at the bottom, it's breaking it into 15-second increments because it's such a long video, but it does it automatically for you. So you can add whatever you want. You can add your own music, whatever. Then you hit next, and then you can post it to your story just like a normal story, and it'll keep rolling. So let me know in the comments real quick which tip or trick you plan to use on your Instagram stories, and then watch this playlist next on more Instagram how-to videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching.